Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Welcome back to YEMMY Remedy TV. Today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make cloves with milk. Yeah, so cloves with milk, I substitute it for coffee. Coffee basically means like, milk with coffee, but this is better than coffee and milk. Let's check out the health benefit of cloves. It's improved digestion, supporting oral health, and also it's antibacterial, and it is anti-inflammatory, regulating blood sugar, protecting liver, enhances immune system. So as you can see, there are broad benefit of cloves. Those are the ones that I can mention. If you want to know much more about it, I have a video here which is going to pop up right now, 7 amazing health benefit of cloves. So without wasting that much of your time, let's dive straight into the video. So you need a saucepan, pan, pot, anything that you like, you want to use it. You need a saucepan, then you need to pour your milk in it. It's so easy, guys, and this is so healthy. It's not that I'm sugarcoating it for you guys. So pour your milk in it. So after that, I'm going to add my cloves into it. It depends on you what you want. I'm so bad when it comes to measuring stuff. I'm so sorry, guys. So I added not up to a table teaspoon of cloves into it. Then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar into it, and then stir it. So stir it very well, guys. Then leave it on a cooker on a low fire to boil on its own, to extract the cloves from the cloves to extract the cloves from for the milk to extract the cloves taste, if I get it well. So yeah, that's it. Our cloves milk is ready. So this is very helpful, guys. It's very healthy. Sorry, I say healthy. So this is very healthy, guys, and now I'm going to drink it. I like to show you guys what I do with my stuff, as in when I come here to show you a remedy, I like to drink it most especially when it comes to drinking a remedy. So I would like to show you how I drink it. So that's basically everything, guys. I hope you enjoy watching, and this is very healthy, guys. So you can substitute it for coffee. So thank you so much for watching, but don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I will see you guys next time in my next video. Peace out.